Good morning. We got a Lakota Bighorn we're doing a service on. I'm doing bearings, checking brakes, adjusting brakes, checking all lights and wiring. Let's get to it. All right, I got passenger side up in the air. Inside tire is real nasty. Doesn't look like a bad axle. We'll tear it down, see what's going on. Passenger side front, wiring looks good. Brakes sound like they might need to be adjusted. Passenger side middle, wiring looks good. Yeah, brakes need to be adjusted. And we already looked at the rear. Yeah, let's get the driver's side up in the air. Driver's side's off. Passenger side front. All right, well, that one needs to be changed. Magnets are done. Shoes are breaking apart. Hub and drums are done. I might have to go get parts. I brought enough parts for 2 axles, but I didn't bring enough parts for 3 axles. Passenger side middle. Same thing. Done. Magnets torn down, starting to get to the coiling, and then the magnet surface on the inside of the drum is bad. Passenger side middle, brake shoe is coming apart. Passenger side rear. Same thing. Magnets done. Brake shoe is getting burnt. Magnet surface is done. Talk with the customer. She knows everything needs to be changed, so everything's getting changed. Let's get to it. Passenger side rear's off. Passenger side mid's off. Ow. Passenger side's torn down. Passenger side mid's on. Wiring is not smashed into the back. 2 backing plates are on. Oh, let's tear down the other side. Driver side rear. Yes, ma'am. Driver side mid. She done. Backing plates off. Driver side front. Oh, baby. Come on. Did you come apart inside? Let's see if I can get these brakes undone. That's why manual adjust brakes are the best, because you can actually back them off. She done. Driver's side front's off. All backing plates are on. All right, I gotta go get parts. All old parts are out. Off the trailer. I got 6 new backing plates on the trailer itself. I need to run and grab 6 hub and drums for it and then come back, put them on and do it. It's the nature of doing mobile work. Sometimes you just don't have enough parts. All 6 brand new hub and drums are on. They're 9/16 by 18, 12 by 2s. I've got new bearings. These already come with races, so I don't have to worry about that. Let's pack these with grease, pack the bearings with grease, put seals on, install on the trailer. Inner portion of the hubs are packed. I need to pack the bearings. 1 bearing packed. And then this is the Lock and Lube bearing packer that I bought on Amazon. Works pretty well. Let's do that 12 more times. And 6th one finished. All seals are 2 1/4 inner diameter. Installing inside the new hubs now. All seals are installed. All 6 hub and drums are packed. Let's get them on the trailer. And we go 50. Back off, hand tight. Back off 1 cancellation. Cotter pin. Good. Do the same on all the other ones. Passenger side front. Cotter pin is verified. Passenger side middle. Cotter pin is verified. Passenger side rear. Cotter pin is verified. Hub and drums on passenger side are installed. Let's do driver side. Driver side front's on. Back off, hand tight, back off 1 cancellation. Cotter pin. Driver side rear, cotter pin is verified. Driver side middle, cotter pin's verified. Driver side front, cotter pin is verified. All hub and drums are installed. Now I need to wire up all the brakes. Now let's get everything wired up and adjusted. Front's wired. Middle driver side, wired up. Driver side rear, wired. Passenger side front, wired up. Passenger side middle, wired up. Passenger side rear, wired up. Passenger side rear, adjusted out, cannot spin. Back off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side middle, not rotating. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side front, not rotating. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side is adjusted. Passenger side front, free spinning. Passenger side middle, free spinning. Passenger side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on, rear locked up, middle locked up. Front locked up, brakes are off, rear free spinning, middle free spinning, front free spinning. All brakes work passenger side. And all butt connectors getting shrunk wrap. Passenger side connections are shrunk wrap. And adjusting brakes driver side. Driver side rear, slightly rubbing. Driver side middle, slightly rubbing. Back off, slightly rubbing. Front is free spinning, middle is free spinning, rear is free spinning. Brakes are on, front locked up, middle locked up, rear locked up, front free spinning, middle free spinning, rear free spinning. And shrink wrap butt connectors. And rear is done. And torquing lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. And checking lights. Markers on the front and all markers down driver's side are on and working. All markers on rear are working. Right turns on and working. Left turns on and working. Markers are on. License plate light is on. And all marker lights down passenger side are working. All lights work. Everything but reverse lights. There's no reverse lights on this trailer, so we're good. Charge is working. Let's get the spare tire back in, and this trailer's done. Alright, let's do the rundown on this trailer. 6 new backing plates, 6 new hub and drums, 6 new bearing kits. All brakes are adjusted, all brakes are wired up, shrunk wrap all the connections. All her lights work, all lug nuts are torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next.